Hey guys, how's it going? Got a tough problem to solve? Let me show you how Gemini 2.0's advanced tool can make it easier. Start by opening the Gemini and make sure that you set the Gemini to 2.0. Alright? And define your problem by typing in it, right? Let's say I have a problem with connecting my phone to my smart screen and provide the details. Your screen is let's say Sony or not LFG, LG or any other product. So let's have an example, LG, right? And just define your problem. I'm just generalizing right now, right? And Gemini's AI will analyze it and suggest structured approaches like decision trees or root cause analysis, right? Hit enter right here, right? And you're gonna see the solutions, right? And collaborate with your team in real time. You can share your problem space, right? And brainstorm solutions and rank ideas with all within the app. If you are using the app, I'm using the website for that matter, right? And so basically it's perfect for making data analysis if you just use prediction, right? Predict how to be fixed instantly. You're now trying to brainstorm an idea on how to basically fix it quickly, right? And with Gemini 2.0, solving complex problems becomes simple and strategic. Start using it today and tackle challenges like a pro. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.